Welcome back. Today we'll see how to install the Minikube on your local machine, that is for macOS. So once the installation is completed, you can start practicing your Kubernetes objects like pods, deployments, replica sets, services, replication controllers, configurations, is configuration maps, secrets, etc. So for that, open your terminal in your Mac. So type brew sorry brew hyphen version. If you are already installed, it will show the current version, installed version. So it is homebrew package 4.5.11. so since it was already installed, so no need to install it. Then you can directly hit the install minikube command with the help of, you can go for so open this link. It will reach out to the Kubernetes minikube documentation. So here we can see this minikube is a local Kubernetes focusing on making it easy to learn and develop a Kubernetes. That means once it is installed in your local machine, it will be very useful for developing your Kubernetes objects. And the minimum requirement is this: 2 CPU core, 2 GB free memory space, and 20 GB of disk space. That means in the RAM size is 2 GB free RAM and 20 GB free disk space. So here the installation steps what we provided. You can choose the operating system, Linux, Mac or Windows. Since it is a Mac, so I have selected that Mac OS. Architecture is based on the architecture. You can select if it is Windows X 64, and if it is Mac OS, by default it was selected, and the release type is stable version. Here there are two options in the installer type, either binary or homebrew. So binary, it is for Windows or Linux machines, and homebrew, we have to choose homebrew. So here the command which we need to hit, this one, take this command and hit brew install minikube. Wait for to download necessary files. Okay, no such file or directory homebrew where homebrew linked minikube. Okay, this means it giving some error. So let's me identify this. What is the root cause? No homebrew linked. Okay, is a file mismatch, so that was resolved. You need not worry about that. So once the homebrew package is installed, it will be automatically fetched for that missing files and all. So now we'll proceed further for the installation. So this is what we are hitting the command. So brew install minikube. Let's see if it is going to install or not. So it is fetching the Kubernetes client. If you see this here, fetching the dependencies for minikube, fetching the Kubernetes client configuration. So it will be wait for a while, and meantime we will look for the further steps, and if which minikube fails after installation via brew, so you may have to remove the old minikube links and link newly installed binary ones. Okay, if you are already installed in your macOS, that means you need to unlink that minikube older version and link with the new one. I hope you guys have got this point. Wait for a moment. So most of the developers will not able to do this one, so for that I am making this video for. Okay, it is done now. So go for, okay, running brew cleanup minikube. Okay, complete have installed. Okay, that was done. Now let's check with the further steps. Start the minikube start. Okay, due to driver docker running, so that means you need to install the docker or some other external drivers. So since it was already installed in my docker desktop, so we can hit that one. Again we'll run that command. Let's see downloading Kubernetes version 1.33.1 preload. So that means it is downloading. Either you can go with a docker desktop or a driver in the command line, so anyone is fine for that. Wait for few seconds, it will be loading. Once it is done, what is the first, so you can interact with your cluster. That means before that you need to check with the first thing, homebrew package needs to be installed and check the compatibility versions. Start your cluster if it is not starting, and unlink the old minikube and link new one. And if later once you start your cluster, if minikube fails to start, you can see the drivers package. Click on this link. You can see the list of drivers for your Linux, Mac and Windows. So since it is Mac, so I have the Docker desktop, that is preferred one. You can install the Docker desktop, but that is also fine. So then interact with your cluster. Let's see, it is going to downloading. Okay, it is downloading the Kubernetes version. I think it is almost, it will take some time. Almost 400 MB it is there, so we'll wait for some time. Okay, we'll mention the steps. So first I need to Google it for install minikube. Keep in mind, not version, homebrew needs to be installed. Installed on your Mac. Copy the command. Refer the document. Command cmd. I'll give, okay, I'll give the link also. This is the link. Do you need color? I'll check some other colors. Okay, I've given the color as well, the default one. Next, check the installation based on the check the installation. We'll copy this thing. So we can make it not the default one. This is the body one. So okay, make it as a default one. Okay, Next, based on the operating system architecture, release type and installation type, you need to select this. If you want, I can hit this screenshot as well. Installation, right? I can make the screenshot for you. Done. Okay, hope you remember this one. Then copy that command brew install minikube. Brew install minikube. Keep in mind that if you select this one, it will be, the link will be automatically changing. So okay, so keep in mind. So start your cluster now. Okay, once this is done, brew install minikube, then start your cluster. Hitting this one, make it as a 200. Next, minikube start. Interact with your cluster. If you are facing any issue with the drivers, if it fails to start, drivers page. Saving this document, Python class. Still some. Then interact with your cluster. Next step is interact with your cluster. Okay, it is still loading. Once the installation is complete, we'll see the cluster, control plane or mini cube with a single node cluster. And you see if any images are available. See this mini cube, it is downloaded. Okay, then kubectl is now configured to use mini cube cluster and default namespace by default. Okay, the installation was completed and this is the mini cube which will be downloaded from the given URL. Now we will see the other document. Okay, mini cube started. Okay, kubectl get parts. We'll check with the kubectl get parts. No resources found. Okay, kubectl get parts -n default. Okay, there is such a nothing is there. If you see this, this is the default namespace which will installed while downloading the minikube itself. This here you can see this API server, control manager, scheduler, and then storage provisioner. These are the default one which will be coming with the. We'll see the nodes. See minikube ready, control plane node. This is the version. This is the Kubernetes API version. So the local Kubernetes installation is ready. You can start developing in your pods, deployments, replica set services, replication controllers, etc., etc. This is how you can install in your Mac. And if you have any doubts, you can keep in comment section so that we will revert it with as soon as possible. So I hope you like this video, and if you that's all for now. We'll see the later sessions. We will see how you can interact with your pods, deployments, replica sets, and all. So for now, this is the initial session which we discussed earlier for to start the Kubernetes as well. Thank you.